So let's take a look at each of these in turn. So let's start with our first persona, the sales rep or agent, and how on a day-to-day basis they can benefit by using our DE widget. I'll now hand you over to Toms, who will take you through what's available. Toms.
Thank you, Faisal, and hi, everyone. So today, let's look at a great DE feature that will make your reps' days easier, the widget. So the widget allows your end user, your rep or your agent in a service use case, to have one dedicated place where they can see their assigned work and identify the highest priority work that they need to action next. From there, they can manage their availability and request more work if needed. And today, we'll look at it from the rep's perspective or the agent's perspective. But to add the widget to your Salesforce org, it's a one-off task for your Salesforce admin. So let's have a closer look. So here we are looking at Salesforce from a sales rep perspective. We're looking at the sales homepage at the moment. In my scenario, I've added the DE widget to this homepage here. You can also have the option to add it to the utility bar of an app, like you can see here. It's the same widget, just an additional option on where to place it. Check out our knowledge base for detailed instructions on how to add the widget. It's super easy. Let's take a closer look at the widget itself. Let's start with the availability toggle. This is an optional feature that allows the user, the rep, to toggle themselves offline to pause assignments. For example, if the rep's gone into a longer meeting or stepping away from their desk, they can toggle themselves to be offline. So if a hot lead comes in while they're away, it's not sitting with a rep who's not able to action the work at the moment. You can either allow to toggle off for any reason or provide a list of toggle off reasons. Once they're back, they can toggle themselves online and resume assignments. Next, they can see a list of records that are assigned to them. This is a quick way for the rep to know which lead needs their attention to next. If a lead is unviewed, it has a red dot next to it here, and opposite, a counter showing how much time is left until the SLA for this record runs out. You can see here that I only have a few minutes left to work on this hot lead until it is then assigned to somebody else, so I better look at that first. Your reps can choose how they'd like the records assigned to them be ordered here. They could choose to have the latest ones assigned first, the oldest ones assigned first, or based on the SLA timer remaining. And finally, a pull distributor. Another optional feature where reps can request additional work. Perhaps they have actioned all the leads that were assigned to them so far, and they're looking for more work. They can use the pull button to request another lead from the dedicated source. The DE widget is a great feature to make available to your end users. This way, they're aware in real time when a record is assigned to them, and they can prioritize their own work accordingly.